make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Hey everyone, just thought I'd make a quick video showing you what happens when you hit a raccoon with your 2019 Mustang. This is what it's supposed to look like. Everything's all tight, lights in place. When you come over to the other side, start on the bottom. You can see the splitter is pushed off. Everything came unclipped. Work your way up. Your lights all pushed in. Everything seems to work still. I don't know how it's clipped in there, but you can almost fit your entire hand in this one. It should be flush up against there. You look inside here. I don't know if you can see it. A little bit of hair in there, that's all that's left of them. Couldn't find the rest. You work your way up. Came unclipped by the headlight. It's tight here. It's a little bit warped. You stand back, you can see it's bubbled out. Or if you come to this side, everything's nice and straight and flush. Come around the side. You can see how far out everything is. 2 holes there should line up. That's where everything clips together. And the splitter hanging down. And that was about 80 kilometers an hour. And just a raccoon, so I could imagine what a bigger animal would do to one of these cars. Doesn't really look like there's too much damage paint-wise or scratch-wise on the bumper. You can just see where the dirt starts. Looks like you hit, kind of slid across, probably hit the light and then went off. The car is lowered, only 1.5 inches. Who knows? Maybe if it was higher up, he would have went under. So yeah, that is what will happen to your Mustang if you decide you want to start hitting animals. Unless you're paying attention, you can't really tell. But it goes in on Thursday to get fixed. It's Monday today. So make another video once this one gets all fixed up and we'll see what she looks like. Thanks for watching.